pamilya.
Sobrang thankful ko na nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na kagaya mo.
Ngayong gabi, magtagumpay kaya ang susunod na sasalang sa trick shot task? Sa panibagong umaga sa bahay ni Kuya, ang housemates nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na magkwentuhan sa garden area.
There's only 8 of us left.
Bilis nga lang.
Not that long until I see my family again.
Nandito ba sila sa Pilipinas?
I think they're in London.
Kung seryoso ang usapan ni Jaren at JM, ang ibang housemates naman...
And like when you guys talk about kilig and stuff like that, I'm like, oh, bro, bakit wala pa occur?
You've never felt parang kilig? As in like, super like...
Pag naihi lang, kinikilig ako.
Ito nga, wala pa. From babae, wala pa.
Liar!
Liar.
Kahit...
Ba di meron, pero hindi ko na maalala.
Kahit nung kang fiyang.
Oo. Hindi!
Umamin ka na, okay lang naman.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pwede naman kiligin kahit nang walang romance.
Ako nga, kinilig ako kay Jaren. Legit. There was so many times, kinilig ako ni Jaren.
Pero she can say it kasi walang mali siya.
Hindi ako kinikilig. Nahihiya ako, natatawa lang ako, kaya tumatawa ako.
Maya-maya pa ay nagsimula na ang pagpili sa susunod na sasalang sa trick shot task.
Sabi na si Kai
Medyo like, kabado po kuya, pero kasi siguro medyo mayabang po kami kasi feel namin, makakaya talaga namin. And like, we can do it.
This is my favorite one.
Matatandaan na naglaro ang housemates ng reverse charades kung saan nila huhulaan kung kanino ibibigay ng kanilang BFF ang 10,000 pesos.
Put your both arms in front. Tapos, fist. Up and down, up and down. No, but your wrist. Wrist. Yeah.
Na-confuse po ako, parang, huh? Anong ginagawa ko dito? Parang,
Straight arms.
Motor! Motor!
Kuya,
Just confused of, bakit may motor? Oh! Bakit?
keep guessing! Keep guessing! Kasi,
Sira yung motor! Kaya, you are giving your 10K to your tito. Tita? Cousin? Cousin? Kasi, sira yung motor niya.
Tama!
my kuya cousin, sira na yung motor na ginagamit niya and he goes to school 3 hours away from his house. Ayun, that's why I'd like to help him. Kasi 3 hours biyahe to school tapos sira pa yung motor niya.
It was very selfless of her. I wasn't surprised, kuya. I did not expect it, but I wasn't surprised. Very selfless of Rain. And it's nice to know that I have such a selfless and caring friend po, kuya.
Thank you! Next. Galing.
Do the thing that I do in the play.
Mama.
Oo, mama ka. Put your hand inside your pocket.
Oh.
Put it out.
Ako po yung nag-action, pero I don't know what I'm doing. Bibigay mo yung 10K sa mama mo.
Oo, kasi
wala na siyang mabigay sa'yo.
it's so hard. Like, how do I make it look like she's having utang? Hindi sa akin!
Ito so hirap po, kuya.
Time's up.
The phrase was, bayaran ang utang ng nanay. My mom and dad, parang wala talaga sila, both of them. She never told me that she had so much utang until I joined PBB. Ang dami niya daw na-ask na people to borrow money. Kasi she just wants me to finish my studies. Kasi ready na sa kanya. Meron na siyang ganito. She's ready to retire. But she's still working just for me. Love my mom, bruh. Kaya, of course, giving my money to none other than my mom.
I felt po for kay kuya na parang, she's so sweet po kuya na she's really thinking about her mom po and what tita is going through.
Respect. Love your mama. Thank you.
Kaagad naman silang ipinatawag ni Kuya para paghandaan ang magaganap na trick shot task at para sa isang importanteng anunsyo.
Nais kong ipaalam sa inyo na ang task na inyong gagawin ay hindi lang basta para sa inyong weekly budget.
Kagaya ni na Binsoy at Jaren, isa lang kina Rain at Kai ang tuluyang makakakuha ng 10,000 pesos na ibibigay sa kanilang mahal sa buhay kung sila ay magtatagumpay sa trick shot task.
At ang desisyon ay nasa inyong mga kamay.
What do you think?
What do you think? I think you should have it kasi my cousins, they have a dad providing for them. With your mom, she's providing for herself.
My mom is working, pero I don't want to say that she can do it. Pero I know she can do it. Like, she can work naman. My mom would tell me to give it to you guys.
Ilang saglit pa ay ipinaalam na ni Kai at Rain kay Kuya ang kanilang desisyon.
Napagdesisyonan po namin na Kai will get the 10K po, Kuya. Yung cousins ko po, they have a dad po to provide for them po. Pero yung mom po ni Kai, no one's doing it for tita po. It's just tita alone po talaga. Kaya, feel ko po, at the moment, mas kailangan po ni tita.
Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon tungkol dito?
I feel more determined to do it po, Kuya. I think this would be a good chance for me to give back everything she's given to me, Kuya. Siya lang talaga nagbibigay. Kahit walang-wala na siya, Kuya, binibigay niya pa rin. Kaya, Kuya, this will be such a good thing na ako na yung bibigay kasi hindi na niya maibabalik kasi ako na yung nagbigay. And a part of Rain na din po, Kuya. Thanks to Rain kasi nagdesisyon kami na ibigay sa mom ko.
Habang nasa confession room ang mag-best friend na sina Kai at Rain, nakita naman ng housemates ang trick shot na napili nilang gawin.
Yun, sarap. Bakit ganyan?
Aba, iyot. Paano yan?
Pwesto.
Siguro sila magpupwesto.
Oo.
Trick shot number 3 po, Kuya.
The trick shot requires accuracy and timing, Kuya, and I feel like Rain and I both have that.
Para sa kanilang trick shot, isa kina Kai at Rain ang kailangang mag-swing na nakasabit na cup at mailipat ito sa hook. Kasabay nito, isa sa kanila naman ang kailangang magpatalbog at magpatama ng bola sa dalawang clay at ma-shoot ito sa na-hook na cup. Meron lamang silang 8 oras para gawin ang trick shot.
Kapag mapagtagumpayan ninyo ang task na ito, sa palagay ko, mas matamis ang tagumpay na ito para sa iyo. Hindi lang basta dahil nakatulong ka sa nanay mo. Hindi dahil kasama mo ang best friend mo sa paggawa nito.
Paglabas ng confession room ay agad na pumosisyon sina Kai at Rain sa living room para simulan ang paggawa ng trick shot.
You got this, Kai.
I got it. We got it, Rain.
You got this, Rain.
Kai at Rain, ang inyong trick shot challenge ay magsisimula in 3, 2, 1, go!
I should angle it first.
Go. When it started na, parang practice lang muna so anyone can do whatever. Table lang. Just try this. Kasi it has to land
Go.
like this. Bang.
We decided to switch muna to see, Kuya, how we would do in opposite roles po, Kuya.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. First try. I did with the ball, Kuya. And okay din naman, vibes din kami ng ball, Kuya. So, whenever I do it, shoot din yung kay Rain. This is it. Oh! Late lang din, Kuya, kasi hindi magkasabay yung bola tsaka pag throw ng cup.
Shoot. This is so important to me po, Kuya, kasi alam ko naman pong nakasalala yung budget and also the money na we can give Tita Flora po.
Oh!
I guess the inis was, the frustration came from that kasi alam ko what it is for. Kaya mas nanggigil po ako na like, oh, why am I not getting it?
Go! Go! Let go. Let go. It's actually possible. God just said it has to be for a few more tries. Of course, parang extra pressure kasi if we won't win it, parang it's gonna be sad kasi hindi ko maibibigay. At tapos marami na akong na-expect na for my mom.
Magawa nga kaya ni Kai at Rain ang trick shot sa loob ng tinakdang oras. Sa pagpapatuloy ng trick shot task,
Come on, bro!
It is so important, kuya, na nakaka-frustrate siya, kuya.
Take your time. Yeah. We got it, we got it, we got it. It's possible. It's possible.
Alam ko naman po na I just have a sakto patience. Not so long, not so short.
Then just find your way there.
si Kuya minabuting ihinto muna ang oras upang makausap ang mag-BFF na sina Kai at Rain.
Kalahati na ng inyong oras ang naubos. Medyo malayo pa sa tagumpay. Sa puntong ito ay bibigyan ko kayo ng isang pagdedesisyonan.
Upang matulungan sina Rain at Kai sa kanilang trick shot task, inalok sila ni Kuya ng mas malaking cup na pagsusutan ng bola kapalit ng 2,000 pesos na ibabawas sa 10,000 na maaari nilang makuha. Rain and Kai, what is your decision?
It was like this.
Mahal naman ang cup na yan, 2K.
Okay. We can do it with the regular cup. It's just 2K though.
Ikaw. It's for your mom. Kuya, final decision po, Kuya. Mag-stick po kami sa 10K po, Kuya. So, we're gonna keep the same size po, Kuya.
Of the cup. Di naman siya malaking difference. So, we choose to stay put with our regular cup.
At ito ay tinatanggap ko.
Paglabas sa confession room ay muling tumakbo ang oras. Pero sina Rain at Kai, piniling makapag-usap muna.
I really thought we could do it in like 2 hours.
Me too. Because the chances are so big.
I think I just need to vibe with my cup again. Nagtampo siya kanina. We might be friends again. So you know what? I suck at the ping pong.
Yeah, you do.
Wala.
Tama yan, Rain!
Yeah.
Wala.
Tama yan, Rain! Just vibe with your cup. Si kulit kaya, anong vibe ang naiisip?
I'm a dragon.
Roar.
In my past life, I'm a dragon. I'm just roar.
Amazing brain cells in this house.
Iba kasi ang magic. Iba kasi ang magic dito sa bahay.
No, iba kasi ang tama dito sa bahay.
Wala, kuya.
Ng mga tao, hindi si Kuya.
How can I make it better? How can I do it better?
Pero kaya nga, I got frustrated. Kasi, bakit ayaw? I'm doing everything. Ano man?
If you found the reason why, and then you change na, tapos hindi pa rin nag-work, try another thing again. Explore. When you're relaxed, your brain is thinking more.
Dahil patuloy sa pagtakbo ang oras, ay ipinagpatuloy na ng mag-BFF ang kanilang trick shot task.
Ooh, that was close. I was thinking about why we were doing it, pero I wasn't super stressing on the fact that maybe we won't be able to do it.
That is crazy.
I put my hopes up too high. Parang enough lang, kuya, to know that I'm doing this for a reason.
Him. Oh my gosh. Samok mo good kayo ng
I was gonna shoot. Alam ko na pong this is a big test of patience po, kuya. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my God! This has happened too many times.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
Actually, a me problem. What's wrong? 1, 2, 3, go. It was getting tiring, but suko? No. That's not my vocabulary, kuya. Di ko naisip sumuko talaga. Let the light in! I hope after this, you still love me, Kai. 1, 2, 3, go.
He actually quite reminds me of my mom. Selfless, kuya. Rain is selfless.
1, 2, 3, go.
There's just an extra pressure. Kung mapapanalunan namin, pupunta din yung 10K sa person na pinik namin, which is my mom, kuya.
I was so close.
Star.
I wanna do it. I don't wanna just be almost helping Tita Flora. I wanna really help Tita Flora and also get the budget, kuya. Go.
Higit 2 oras na lang ang natitira para magawa ni Rain at Kai ang kanilang trick shot. Ramdam na rin nila ang pagod at sakit ng katawan.
Pag nahuhook po yung grabe yung heart ko kuya, nagbubugs-bugs talaga extra more. Kaya parang mas nahahappy po kuya at mas nakaka-see po ulit ng ilaw sa pathway kuya na we're almost there kuya. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Of course, other than the fact that I was doing it for a reason naman talaga for my mom, most of it din po, kuya, was because of Rain din. Kasi nakikita ko yung effort niya. And parang I need to match that effort or even go beyond it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Overall, kuya, it was my mother. That was the prime motivation. Pero yun lang nasa head ko. But what I'm seeing is Rain, which wants me to do it even.
Craving the perfect pizza.
1, 2, 3, go.
Kasi parang dun ko na-realize we're done. Nagawa namin, kuya.
Naisip ko na magagawa ko talaga nila yun, kuya.
We're getting 25% and we can give 10K to Tita Flora. So I was like, we're done! So, I was so happy, kuya. We're done na. Tapos na.
Kai at Rain, natapos na ang inyong hamon. Kayo ay nagtagumpay. Makukuha nyo ang 25% ng inyong weekly budget.
Alright, 10K. I told you, we got it in the bag. We got it in the bag.
Dahil napagtagumpayan ninyo ang inyong trick shot challenge, ay may pagkakaloob ninyo para kay Mommy Flora ang 10,000 pesos.
thank you. Kasi you were able to put yourself aside for a while for someone else's benefit. So, and that happens to be me, which is great.
It feel good.
I know.
It feel good. Yeah, it feel good.
Abangan bukas!
Uy! May ruleta na! Sino kaya?
Tap, tap.
Ito na ang araw para gawin ang inyong trick shot challenge.
Isa lang pala. Ang hirap naman magdesisyones.
Siguro, sa'yo na lang.
Go.